How to get your Telegram profile link. Hi guys, if you guys are wondering how, you may follow up this method. So go ahead and open up Telegram on your screen. And then once you open up Telegram, you may head over to the top left corner, the three horizontal lines, to open up a menu. Now, from the given menu, head over to the option that says My Profile, tap on it. And after tapping on it, you may set up a username if you don't have one, right under this username section. So all you gotta do is once your username is set, at the top right corner, you should be finding three dots. Tap on it, and you will be finding copy link to profile option from the menu. Tap on it in order to copy the link, and you may hit back and send it over to wherever you want. For example, here, and then you may just go ahead and paste the link and send it, and that's it. So that is how you basically get your Telegram profile link. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.